What's the matter? What? What's wrong? Why are you freaking out? What's the matter? What's the matter? Tell me what you want. Stop it, Milo. You're so cute. You're such a camera hog. What do you want? Can you show the camera what you've been going to for the past 10 minutes? Yeah, what I made the mistake of giving you. Bacon. Come here. Ready, Enzo? Stand up. Come on. Come on. You guys are terrible. You want 1, 2 Fox? Created bacon monsters. You say bye? Say bye.